Welcome again, my dear student of Dhruv chemistry class. Here, this is my third video of addition reaction of alkene. In my last video, I told when we talk about the unsymmetrical alkene and we start adding HX. So addition reaction of HX, when we proceed, we will get a two type of product. One halo or two halo. So in my last video I told 80% would be two halo compound and one halo compound would be 20%. Why it is so? Because of one rule. That rule is known as Markovnikov rule. So today in this video we are going to cover that. Okay, so Markovnikov rule. According to rule, the negative part of addendum means that compound which is going to be added. Okay, so in the negative part of addendum will be add on that double bonded carbon atom which having less number or no number of hydrogen atom. Here in my definition, just carefully observe what I have. The negative part of addendum will add on that double bonded carbon atom which has no hydrogen or less hydrogen. No hydrogen or less hydrogen atom. So carefully observe this statement. This is very important. Now going to show this with example. Okay. So in my last video also I explained same example I am taking, but CH double bond CH2 propene plus HX. Now carefully observe here things H and X. X is electronegative element, H is a electropositive element. So negative part of addendum. So HX is going to be added, that's why it is addendum. Got it? So here X is a negative part. So according to the definition, negative part of addendum will add on that double bonded carbon atom. Double bonded carbon atom. We will not see here CH3. Leave it. Only just observe this area. Okay. In this area, you can figure out which double bonded carbon having less number. This carbon having two hydrogen and this carbon having only one. So definitely according to the definition, the negative part of addendum will add on that carbon, double bonded carbon atom which having less number of hydrogen atom. Got it? So our product would be CH3 C X CH2 and H. This is major product according to my last video as well. So this is 80%. Okay. And other part CH3 CHH CH2X is of only 20%. This is 80%. Hope you understood this concept of Markovnikov rule. Okay. This is one example. Hope this is clear to all. One more, as I told, no hydrogen. The question will be arises by you, if there is no hydrogen, why have written? Suppose instead of H, this side I have CH3. Another example, CH3. So this carbon now having double bond and also no hydrogen atom. So definitely negative part will add on this side, and our product here CH3, CH3. Clear? Hope this is clear. In my next class I will explain some more concept about this. Thank you. Have a nice day.